we hear a new email alert on our laptop, or when our mobile phone flashes signaling that we have received a new message, then we feel like stopping whatever we have been doing, even though it was super important task. And we check that new message, whether it is on our Outlook or on Gmail or Facebook, Twitter, wherever. We read that message, we comment or respond to it, and then only we decide to come back to whatever we have been doing earlier. I'm sure this sounds familiar. This is how many of us operate in this digital world, right? But science has proven again and again that this approach itself is the root cause of many of our problems, including lack of concentration, lack of productivity, getting very less done in a day, and many more. In this video, I am going to share a few tips which have worked fantastically for me, and I'm sure if you seriously follow them, it will more than double your productivity. So let's get started. Firstly, plan each day in advance. It means preparing the list of non-negotiable tasks for the next day. That's first. Second is keep at least two blocks of 75 minutes each, either before your meeting start for the day or between successive meetings. These blocks of times are for your undisturbed deep work. Preferably keep this 75-minute slot in the morning when you're fresh. Now, when that 75-minute slot starts, work non-stop for first 60 minutes with no distraction, no mobile ping, no email alert, nothing. Once you are done with that 60-minute non-stop work, give yourself a 15 minutes break. That makes your 75-minute slot. And in that 15 minutes, take either a quick walk or grab a cup of tea or coffee, or simply do a bit of stretching. Next is follow the same approach for your second 75-minute slot. Now what will happen when you are done with these two 75-minute slots? Then with about 2 to 3 hours of undisturbed work, then you can reward yourself with a shot of dopamine by checking your emails and whatever social media you want to catch up with. And friends, I have seen that when you develop this habit of completing 2 to 3 hours of important work, you actually double up your productivity, and you feel super positive for the rest part of the day. So friends, this was a quick video on how by following very simple approach, you can double up your productivity at work. And if you want to hear more from me on this topic, then please comment below or like this video. Thank you and have a fantastic life.